again to the studio. So I'm continuing with some wedding crafts. We're not quite ready for the wedding. So I'm going to show you today how you can make a nice little treat bag. I'm making this for our bridal shower and we're using just plain bags and we're going to have a nice little design on it in the end. So stay tuned. All right, so to start our craft, I have some white bags. They do have a fold down top. I bought some beautiful napkins. I think I may have gotten these from like a Dollar Tree. I may have actually purchased these. I can't remember. I might have gotten them at Hobby Lobby. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them apart into sections of 4. And my plan is to place them on our little bags. So once you've cut them apart, and let me show you quickly with one of these. So once you've cut them into sections of 4, your napkin is going to also come apart in one more piece. So let me see if I can get that. It's kind of like opening the grocery bag at the grocery store. So the back will peel off, and you can discard this or save it for another project later. I like to save this in case I'm doing a decoupage. It sticks nicely to a bottle or whatever. So ultimately you would like to always have this beautiful bird. So I'm going to try to do as many of them with this bird as possible. But for the purpose of our video, I'm going to show you how to do it with this section that I have. So here's my bag. I'm actually going to use a photo spray adhesive. You can get spray adhesive that's not for photos, but this is very lightweight, so I like it. So let me get my other items out of the way so I don't get glue on them. And you want to spray this lightly. Give it just a second. It'll start getting tacky. And one of the mistakes I made with the first one was I turned my bag upside down and pressed it on here. Don't do that, because you will have glue out at the edges and it will be on your bag and make it gross. So now that I have some glue on here, and I've waited a second for it to get tacky, I'm going to line this up wherever I want it. Put it on my bag. Now if you have a little roller, that's probably the best thing to roll it. Like if you have a Cricut machine, because if you rub too much, it will pill up and come off just like you had too much water on it. So just let it sit. And once it's dry, you have a nice little treat bag. Isn't that beautiful? All right, thank you for watching.